Hello guys and welcome back. In this video I will show you how you can create Web3 wallet in Binance. So before starting this video, make sure to like this video and subscribe our channel for more amazing content. Now let's get this video started. You have to open your Binance in your mobile, and once you are here, you have to click on the Binance icon on the top left corner. Now tap on more services. You will see many services, but you have to click on Web3 wallet, which is right here. Now over here, if you want to create a new wallet, tap on create wallet, or if you want to import an existing wallet, then simply tap on import wallet. But for this video I am going to create a new wallet, so simply tap on create wallet. Wait for a few moments till it completely loads. Then write down your screen lock in order to create a passkey. Now you can see all of the cryptos including NFTs inside your wallet. Okay, now if you want to back up your wallet, simply tap on this wallet 2 option over here. It will open this type of interface, and as you can see it says that it is not backed up. You have to click on these three dots over here, then tap on backup management. Now here you have to give some access to Binance, so just click on select all, then tap on continue. Now tap on backup. Now here are two options. If you want to backup with QR code, then simply tap on backup with QR code, or if you want to backup with Google Drive, then tap on Google Drive, which is also recommended by Binance. So I will click on backup with Google Drive. Verify your passkey. Now here you have to create recovery phrase password. After creating a new password, tap on continue. Now you have to check these two boxes and then tap on continue. Now wait for a few moments. Now write down the password which you created just right now. Now tap on continue. Now tap on OK. And now here are two backup options. Now tap on Google Drive backup and write down your passkey and then go back. So as you can see, my Google Drive is verified and now backup is on right here. I hope this video will help you. If so, please like this video and subscribe our channel for more amazing content.